focus now. So focus, the primary outcome of focused is enhanced cognitive function. Of course it is. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to enhance our, support our memory formation and recall. We're trying to enhance our focus and concentration. And these are the mechanisms of action of the products. It has very, very strong antioxidant properties, which is incredibly important for combating oxidative stress. The product supports healthy brain cell membranes. It enhances cerebral blood flow, supports faster cognitive processing, protects against blue light damage, and supports visual processing and eye-brain connection. Now, some people might ask, why is that important? Well, the eyes are the lens to the brain, right? And so everything that we see with our eyes has communication with our brain. And so we have to make sure that we're protecting our eyes from damage, because as we get older, what happens? Our vision starts to, degrade just a hair. And as we degrade, what happens to our brain? Our brain starts to not function quite as accurately and adequately as we'd like it to as well. So the eyes have a very important connection to the eye-brain function. And so we want to make sure that we're also protecting our eyes at the same time that we're protecting our cognitive function as well. So the structure function claims for focus include supports memory, mental focus, and cognitive health, promotes mental clarity and improved memory formation and recall, supports brain health by promoting increased brain cell integrity and resilience. And that last one is very, very important, because, man, without healthy brain cells and without strong brain cells, then our brain cannot possibly function properly. So you got to remember, strong brain, strong body, and they're all connected. There is a muscle brain axis along with a gut brain axis, along with an eye brain axis. So there are a lot of communication points between the brain and other organs that impact the functionality and strength and health and resilience of our brain. So we want to make sure that we take care of that. So recommended use. I recommend using 30 to 60 minutes prior to beginning a mentally challenging project. And so all of you guys, most of you guys, some of you new guys probably don't, but a lot of you guys know that I am in the process of working on my dissertation for my PhD. It's the last part. I'm a doctoral candidate with my university, and I'm in the middle of a massive, and I say massive, research project. I'm 4 years into this journey. I've got at least another year to go. It's going to be a 5-year journey of a lot of very intense studying and research and statistical analysis, and you name it, it's got it all. And so anytime that I am about to begin study or begin working on that, or any type of research, any type of product development, I'm taking focus, because that focus helps to keep us so focused. It helps to keep me, I should say, so focused, and it helps lengthen the period of time that I have the ability to concentrate and to focus on some very, very deep science and deep information. And so anytime you've got a mentally challenging product, whether you're a student or whether you're a lawyer or whether you're even building, we're building cabinets for our kitchen right now. I'm not. We have a cabinet maker, and just the amount of detail and the focus and the concentration that it takes to do this, just immaculate woodworking is amazing. And so it doesn't matter what type of project you're working on. If it's mentally challenging, man, you need some focus. And so anytime you start to lose, like you feel like you're losing your focus, or you feel like you're losing your concentration, take your focus. One of the things that I will say is that I prefer to use focus on an empty stomach. This is one thing that I have discovered, is that when I take it on a full stomach, I don't feel like I get the immediate benefits as I do when I take it on an empty stomach. So I'll give you that one tip with focus. So, don't be afraid to experiment with it. Figure out what best works for you. And so focus is an incredible product, and it will certainly help you with your mental focus, your cognition, and your clarity. So